Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Today we are explore how to create a soft glass morphism card using gradients and layer styles in Photoshop. Now I open Photoshop and create a clean wide canvas so the design feels airy. First I select the custom shape tool and draw a rounded rectangle as the card base. Then I apply a light gradient from white to light blue and reduce the fill opacity to create a glass feel. After that I add a background gradient behind the card using darker blues and purples. Now I apply a subtle Gaussian blur to the background layer to enhance glass morphism. Next I add a soft inner shadow and drop shadow to separate the card from the background. Then I refine corner radius and spacing to keep everything smooth. After this I slightly increase highlights to make